We are going kayaking with my girl Candy.
Yay.
And Pimp Ladies. Hey, perfectly imperfect fitness ladies having fun. Come join us.
DFW, kayaking, and more. Surf, DFW surf.
DFW surf.
Giving them a plug out here. Doing great things, taking care of us.
Yay. We'll see you out there.
Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Ooh, 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 rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Rolling, ooh, rolling, ooh, rolling on the river. Ooh, oh, you're away from me again. I tell y'all, no good. I need to try to save myself. That's what I really need to try to do. And I need to do it. Oh, Lord,
what I may have you do is just
heave. Oh, heave. Oh. It's a shame when you're out here. Oh, 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 Ebony. 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 No wonder it got lighter. Such a shame. Can't even save myself at this point. And I don't even have your cover for your phone. I don't want to put it down and get any water in it.
Don't worry, I'm coming back.
As she comes back to save me. Save me. I'm the damsel in distress. Save me. Save me. Oh, save me. Woo! Charcuterie and scenery. Charcuterie and scenery. Yes. All the things. All the things.
Despite what it looks like, we really did have fun. We really did. It was kind of a blunder. In full transparency, I overshot our launching point by a good amount, and we unnecessarily rode out past the shore way longer than we needed to. But Candace was such an awesome, good sport, and we had a good time. It's always nice to be out on the water. That's a happy place for me. So don't let this discourage you from ever going out on a kayak. Like I said, we really did have a wonderful time. Again, perfectly imperfect fitness ladies having fun, messing up, overshooting the shore, I don't know, doing all the things, but having a ton of fun. You can find us on Facebook, Perfectly Imperfect Fitness Ladies Having Fun.